A milling tool with high rake cutting edge for square shouldering, Alpha Mill X. Alpha Mill X is a milling tool for square shouldering with high quality surface finish, applied high rake cutting edge, and high rigidity design. High rake chip breaker improves chip control, and high helix cutting edge decreases cutting resistance dramatically. And then, flat clamping side realizes safe machining even in high speed and high feed machining. Wide minor cutting edge is optimized for high surface finish machining. The chip breaker is divided as two types, MM for universal, ML for light cutting. In addition, various nose radiuses meet customers' different needs. Alpha Mill X, applying high rake cutting edge decreases cutting load. And possible to realize high-quality rectangular machining by realizing precise right angle by applying edge design optimized for rectangular machining. Wide chip pocket and internal coolant system increase chip removal and machinability. Holder body of Alpha Mill X has two types, shank and cutter. A milling tool with high rake cutting edge for square shouldering, Alpha Mill X.